To meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
My name is Ritam Chakraborty.
Oh, nice name.
Thank you.
Where do you live?
I am living at Polta.
Palta. Okay. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Monindranath Chakraborty.
Okay, I understand. Okay. Who is he?
He is a worker.
He is a worker. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Monorama Chakraborty.
Manorama Chakraborty. Who is she?
He is a homemaker.
Not he. She is.
She is a
homemaker.
She is a homemaker.
She is a homemaker. Okay. Are you a student?
No, I am a job seeker.
Job seeker. Okay. Where was your school?
My school was in Shantinagar.
In Santinagar area. What is the name of your school?
My school name was Shantinagar High School.
Santinagar High School. Okay. Do you have any brother?
No, I have a big sister.
Big sister. Okay. Elder sister. You speak that elder sister. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Blue. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Yash.
Yes. Do you like to watch movie?
Yes, I watch movie like. I like watch movies.
Okay. What's your favorite movie?
KGF 2.
KGF 2. Did you watch the movie?
Yes, I already watched this movie.
Watched it. Where did you watch the movie?
I watched this movie in cinema hall at Barakpur.
Barakpur. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.